Alright, guys, good morning. We got another freaking copyright block yesterday. Sorry. Stay tuned. I hope that what I heard about I didn't mean to do that though. Anyways, I hope that you get 3 blocks, you get banned from that account. I hope that doesn't really happen, because anytime we ever get copyrighted, we don't mean to. Not here. I don't mean to. I do everything I can to stay away from it. But anyways, just letting you guys know. So now, that's why we are finally doing this video. We're not going to do any freaking songs. We'll do video. We won't do any songs. Ever again. I don't remember doing any song audio yesterday. I don't know what the heck. I don't know what happened yesterday, so I'm sorry. As you can see, I am going to download, not right now, but eSword later. It is being weird. I don't know. Don't allow. I don't freaking retarded stuff like that. Alright, so yeah, as you guys can see, I'm going to get eSword soon. eSword has pop-ups, obviously. Anyways, I'm going to get eSword soon. Right there. Today, probably. And then I will have the full in-your-face proof that these definitions of Bible scriptures mean what they say that I am saying that they mean. I have read them before, but not on my computer. Alright. Where do I want to? Right there, I think. No time of trouble? Is that yes? First off, I wanted to point out again, Revelation 12, Michael and his angels. My name is Michael, and I fight against the dragon all the time. And I show you guys the dragon. And speaking of, not right now, but in a minute, I will show you the new dragon. I was looking at the male system and then the female system, and I noticed a lot of weird of the same weird, dragon, lotus, bug face creature eating each other. It's weird, but it's all biblical. And so we'll go over that. What Bible scripture? Right here? Yeah, crowns of gold. I wanted to point that out. Where is it at? Right there. And upon their heads were crowns of gold. The creatures of the lotus had crowns of gold. Now I wanted to point something out to you guys. Not this. Not yet. There we go. Alright, so this right here is called the list of popes. It's inside the Vatican. You can easily pull it up. But, however, as you can see right here, let's go ahead and go to this one. This is the face of a lotus turned upside down. We'll look at the other photo because it's a better shot. There we go. So now you're looking, when you turn it upside down, when you pull out Isaiah 29, as we always say, here's the crown of gold. Here is the creature's face. the lotus coming up out of the ground, right here. The mandibles, right here. Shifting, those who shift shadows, hide in darkness. Out of the Bible. Shifting shadows, meaning shades in the light. They shift shadows. Alright, so, and then here's the wings of the lotus. There's, like I pointed out the whole face, and it's biblical. Crowns of gold on their head. That's in a lot of stuff, though. That's on the actual light right here. Crown of gold on the head of the sheep. That is also the female reproductive system. And then, like, okay, look at it like this. Here we go. Look at it like this. This is the birthing place right here. This is where you come out of. These are also a lot of falling angels. Okay, so this is the matrix, the womb. And then right there, you got the female reproductive system. And then this turns into a penis going into, watch. I'm trying to move it for you guys. Great. Alright guys, sorry about that. I actually quickly put something in order and together for you guys just now. We have already prior videos looked over this same structure, and I've pointed out that it looks just like the gold part, all that gold. That's just the female vagina. Let's go do this real quick, hang on. Here we go. And now back to that file. Wait, what? Hang on. Alright, finally. Alright, so this is a female vagina. Okay, trying to zoom in. There we go. Or not. Anyways, so there, bam. You see that gold? Whoop. Why did it do that? And what did I do? Right. There we go. Alright. Anyways, so this part right here is this part right here. Alright. And then all of this is that. Watch. See? It's the same thing, guys. And you turn it upside down, and then it's this. And her legs are going out. You see that gold? And her legs are going out. And she's birthing. Okay? If you go up here, and you want to look at this chair real quick with me, I'll point out that they put these men here. Now keep in mind in Isaiah 29, it also says that he who framed it knew not. Again, meaning who did this beautiful disaster of a message on, they didn't know that they were doing that because because they were being used by a spirit, like we always say. You know how artists sometimes they write a song and they, oh well, I just get into my zone and the something else writes the song for me. Like I don't write the song. They say that all the time. Something else controls the writing of the song. All right, now today, or last night rather, I looked up I noticed, I was like, okay, well, we're noticing a lot of female stuff and male. So let's look up, because this also obviously looks like a sheep face. Don't say it doesn't, because you'd be lying to yourself. Also, this looks like a big giant sheep face. When you turn the female reproductive system, we just talked about this whole thing right here, is the female reproductive system. This is the eye of the sheep. This is the eye of the sheep, the ear of the sheep, the ear of the sheep, crowns of gold upon their heads. But when you pull in Isaiah 29, whoop, and bam, there you go. Penis and balls, testicles, whatever you want to call them, going into the vagina, and that's the corruption of the human. This is literally St. Peter's Peter. This is literally St. Peter's Peter, the chair. That's the same thing, guys. And remember, we already figured out that Satan is Peter and Peter is Satan in the Bible. Satan's Peter, probably going, and that's probably Eve's right there. Whenever, just like they did in the Garden of Eden. And then she bore Cain. This is the male, and that is the face of a lotus right there. And here are the antennas, and here are the mandibles, and you got the creature and the sheep deal going all the time. Real quick, I looked at the bone structure of a male also last night, and that looks like a freaking dragon. Tell me it don't, and you might be crazy. Wow. And then in the Bible it says that we were given serpent skin, and we're born upside down, and this is a giant penis and vagina birthing system, like I just showed. I mean, oh my gosh, it's crazy. It's all in the Bible. I love it. Busting them. Was it, as we always say, they, was called the ways of the wicked, do not partake of them, but instead expose them. That we will do more of in a little while later on today. Might make another video extensive on the creatures, because here's a little bit more of some creature stuff that we might go through. Anyways, see you soon. We'll do a Bible study on this on the next segment. See you guys. And as always, be blessed stay tuned, drop your comments.